Is PMP a professional designation? Let's explore this topic. My name is Alcide Santopietro, and I'm an instructor of PMI exam preparatory trainings like PMP, PMI ACP, Discipline Agile, Scrum Master, and Discipline Agile Senior Scrum Master. In this video, I'm going to answer a question that I've been receiving from some students. They want to know if the project management professional or the PMP certification is a professional designation. Well, this question actually has some background. Actually, what they want to know is the value of this certification. The project management professional certification is the most popular one in the field, in the project management field. It is by far the certification that has more individuals holding around the globe. So it's over 1,200,000 individuals now that hold that certification around the world. So it is indeed a very prestigious certification. When you obtain this certification, you demonstrate that you know you have the skills to successfully manage and deliver projects. That's what the certification tells when you have it in your CV. Well, it is a profession. Is this a professional designation? Professional designation would be, for example, if you have, if you are an engineer, or if you have a CPA status in the accounting industry, or if you have a master's in a certain field, you can even add those letters after your name when you introduce yourself, or in your resume or your business card. Often, if you have an MBA, also people who have completed studies taking their MBA, they will certainly add those three letters MBA after their names, indicating that they have that accomplishment. And PMP is no different. Actually, you can add those three letters, the PMP, after your name, indicating that you have that certification. So that puts the PMP certification side by side with other certifications that you might have, or other designations like an engineer or an MBA that you might have. So in this case, if you look at the PMP certification from this angle, yes, it is a professional designation. But above all, you can always add those letters after your name, and probably you want to do that because it catches the attention of recruiters when they are looking at your resume, when you are applying for a job, for example, or on a business card. But more important than that is what this certification gives you, and that's the ability, or that's the proof that you can tell the world that you can that you demonstrate that you can successfully, that you have the skills, the necessary skills to successfully deliver projects. I hope that helps a little bit your clarify this question, and I hope you enjoyed this video, and see you next time.